morning, class of 2022, and welcome to your presentation for choosing your courses for your senior year. It's the last time you'll ever have to register for courses at Fenton. Can you believe you're going to be seniors next year? So here's sort of the timeline to look for. On January 4th, the portal will open and you can have access to choosing your classes through your Chromebooks. On January 6th, this screencast will go out during your Bison times, so you have a chance to go over how to do this. On January 11th, during Bison times, counselors will meet with students in groups by grade level to help you select your courses in PowerSchool if you have not yet done so. Your PowerSchool portal will close on January 12th. However, counselors will meet with each of you individually and with students to correct, modify, finalize, and approve course selections. So pick your classes by January 12th, and then your counselor will come in and make sure everything's correct for your senior year. May 11th is the last day you can change any courses for your senior year, and that depends on course availability. Here's how it works. During PowerSchool, using PowerSchool, you'll select your courses in each category listed: English, math, science, PE, etc. Teachers may recommend you for courses, and if they do, they'll be listed in bold, and you should select your teacher recommendations. When you sign up for a full year class, remember that you have to choose both the A and B options, A for first semester and B for second semester. Please check out prerequisites for classes you want to take in the Programs of Study Guide to make sure you qualify to take the courses in which you're interested in. If you're interested in early graduation, talk to your counselor. For English, you will have to take English 4. Every student has to take 4 years of English, so you will choose one of these two classes. They're both year long, either English 4 A and B or AP English 4 Literature and Composition A and B. Remember to choose both A and B. There are also some English elective courses if you're interested in acting, creative writing, and theater, though none of these classes count as an English requirement for graduation. The math required courses follow this guideline. If you're in Math 2 this year, you'll take Math 3 A and B. If you're in Intermediate Algebra, you'll take College Algebra. College Algebra goes to Pre-Calc, Algebra 2 goes to Pre-Calc. Accelerated Algebra 2 goes to Accelerated Pre-Calc A and B, and Accelerated Pre-Calc goes to either AP Calc AB or AP Calc BC. If you're in AP Calc BC right now, you would go to Calc 3 A and B or AP Stats. There's some math elective courses that, again, don't count for your math requirement, but are very helpful in college admission and in learning more about careers that you might be interested in. AP Computer Science Principles A and B, AP Computer Science A and B, and AP Stats. Most four-year colleges do require you to have 3 to 4 years of high school science, and if you're going into any math, science, or STEM careers, 4 years of science is really important. Your options are Geoscience A and B, Bio 2 A and B, Physics A and B, AP Environmental Science A and B, AP Bio, AP Chemistry, AP Physics, and then Foundations of Scientific Research. This is a 1 or 2 semester class that you take alongside your science class, and this is very helpful if you want to go to any of the research fields. You do not have to take a social studies class in your senior year. You only need 3 years and you'll have finished that requirement. However, we do have some elective courses you might be interested in. Criminal justice is a 1 semester course. Military history is also a 1 semester course. We have 2 AP classes in social studies, one being AP Psychology A and B and one being AP United States Government and Politics. For PE, you can choose the same class for the entire year or 2 different classes per semester. You do have to have 2 semesters of PE in your senior year. PE 10, 11, 12 A and B, or Strength and Conditioning A and B, or Fitness and Nutrition A and B. You also may request a 0-hour PE to give you more periods in your day, and that placement is based on availability. You may also qualify for a PE waiver, and there's a place to click in the slide deck to see if you qualify for a PE waiver. Also talk to your counselor about that in your individual meeting. Student leaders are selected at the start of each semester. So choose the PE course that you would take if you're not selected as a leader. So if you want to be a PE leader and you want to do that, please choose a class before you get the PE leader. For consumer education, you have to take consumer ed either your junior or senior year. So if you have not taken consumer education yet, You can take either consumer education for one semester or AP macroeconomics for one semester. That is a graduation requirement. For your world languages, many colleges require 2 years of the same world language for admission, but is not required for graduation from Fenton. If you are moving forward in your world languages, having 4 years of the same world language looks really good to colleges. There's many elective course options, and you can look here to view the 2021-22 program of study guides. You can use this guide to help you choose electives, which just has electives and not the core classes. It contains course descriptions, prerequisites, and career pathways. There is a lab assistance description, but the form you would get from the teacher for the class that you want to be a lab assistant in. Culinary courses have changed, so we wanted to give you some feedback into what is going to be the name of the culinary courses for next year. Nutrition and Culinary Arts 1 used to be called Culinary 1. Before that, it was called Chefs. It's now called Nutrition and Culinary Arts 1. It's one semester, and there are no prerequisites. Nutrition and Culinary Arts 2A and B, that was formerly Culinary 2 and 3, which before that was Foreign Foods and Mini Restaurants. It's 2 semesters, and your prerequisite is that you take Culinary 1. Additional classes that are added this year are Food Preparations and Health Management. That is formerly Senior Foods. So this class will now be open to juniors as well. It's a 1-semester class. It kind of follows the curriculum Senior Foods, and it's called Food Preparations and Health Management, open to juniors and seniors, and there's no prerequisite for that. If you're interested in TCD, Technology Center of DuPage, remember with that you go 4 periods a day to Fenton and 3 periods a day at TCD. All these courses are year-long. You cannot take only 1 semester. It does take 3 classes each semester, and you earn 2.5 elective credits per semester. You can look at TCD options on the slide deck, from everything from automotives to culinary to computers to whatever you're interested in. See your counselor for more information about TCD. Think about taking AP courses. AP stands for Advanced Placement. These courses are designed to be at the college level, and at the end of these courses, you take an AP exam. If you score high enough on that AP exam, it can give you college credit towards your degree. Taking AP courses are beneficial for several reasons. 1, because you experience college-level coursework in a supportive environment in a high school. It stands out in college admission. College admissions officers are looking for rigor. AP courses are the most rigorous courses, and they like to see you apply yourself to hard work. It builds college readiness skills so that you know what a college class will be like and how to plan for that. And it, again, is a chance to earn college credit. Here's how to select courses in PowerSchool with a step-by-step guide if you've forgotten from the following years. You log into your PowerSchool and click on the red circle that says Class Registration. This screen will open up. For each class, you click on the red pencil. When you click on the red pencil, all the classes that are available to you will show up. Remember that you need to click on each one, A and B, for full year classes. If a course is in bold, that means that the teacher is recommending you for that and you should choose it. Some of you may have classes already chosen. Leave those classes in there. Remember when you finish picking your classes that you need to hit submit or nothing will save. Again, this is clicking that red pencil to get your classes available. You choose 2 of the same class, English 4A, English 4B, and you will know if it's chosen for you because it will have this recommended by it. Otherwise, you choose the 2 that you want to take for each class. If you want 7 classes in your day plus lunch, you will have a total of 14 credits listed at the bottom where it says requires up to 16. You should have 14. If you want 7 classes plus 0 hour, you'll have a total of 16 credits. Most of you will have 14, but if you're requesting 0 hour, that would make 16. If you want 6 classes plus a study hall or early release, you'll have a total of 12 credits listed. For early release, remember a couple of new rules with early release. You cannot have a study hall and an early release. It's one or the other. And you cannot have any Ds in the semester prior to your early release. All your classes must be A, B, and C for early release. Remember to click submit. That's very important. None of your classes will save unless you hit submit. And then even after you hit submit, you can still go back and make changes. So don't worry about that. Your next steps are to review the recommendations from your teachers in PowerSchool, view the elective Google Slides and the AP Rush Google Slides that come in the slide deck, talk to your parents about your selections, select courses in PowerSchool, and then each counselor has a special Calendly link for you to make appointments with your counselor. If you look at this link, depending on your counselor, you will click on the link and that will help you to pick your classes. These are 5-minute appointments that we can talk with you individually, 5 to 7-minute appointments to make sure you have the right classes. If you do not click on a Calendly link, we will make one for you. If you have any other questions or concerns before you meet with your counselor, please feel free to reach out to your counselor. Good luck and welcome to your senior year.